Hello, I am Juliana Project Manager and International Relations from Centro Brasil Design. I really would like to thank you for this invitation to take part in the Seoul Design Week 2020. It is a huge honor for us. We are living at different times, and this is global. The impact of the pandemic is affecting our day by day and consequently our business. We believe that design is a tool that transforms lives, business, and realities. Centro Brasil Design is a recognized institution that promotes the use and the culture of design and innovation in Brazilian companies. We are the connection between industry, startups, university, and creatives. We use design and innovation as strategic drivers for competitiveness and take these tools to every sector of the Brazilian economy. I will tell you about 4 case studies of design related to COVID-19 issues applied in Brazil. One, masks for all. This was a campaign that we publish arts from the Brazilian design community in the Centro Brasil Design network, social media. And the campaign name is Masks for All. The app, an app called Salve. This app was a result from an international research called Design for Emergency. The other case is Auto Mask, one real mask that has been produced by a Brazilian toy industry, and Gomo bracelet, one bracelet that is an alcohol gel dispenser. So, considering the masks campaign, I would like to explain to you what we did to make people aware of the importance of wearing masks. Centro Brasil Design invite a lot of design offices around Brazil, and we ask them to develop a graphic material to post in our social network to make people aware of the importance of wearing masks. This was a very nice campaign that began in March to April of 2020. This was the first COVID wave in Brazil. You can check the arts in this presentation, and we have a huge engagement and interaction with the Brazilian community. Now about Salve app. It is a solution developed to serve citizens in peripheral communities that are difficult to access. In this health emergency scenario, thousands of citizens without a source of permanent income have no way to eat or maintain basic standards or hygiene and maintenance of life. Living in communities with a high population concentration without the possibility of removal or social isolation. The app allows residents of communities to apply to donate their time and competence in support other residents in the most vulnerable situations, enables monitoring, assistance, and eventual removal to individuals through the app. Users can register in eventual case of infection and keep updated information about the infected and various emergency situations. The app also allows you to manage actions based on the record data, access information on prevention of health emergencies, ask for help or rescue, concentrates the number of registered volunteers and participants in community assistance actions, being these medical or food security emergencies. Who can contribute with this action? UI and UX designers, web, mobile app developers, product designers, and application engineers. Urban government planning agencies also. This was the Salve app, and now we would like to tell you about a mask called Otto. This mask is 100% produced in Brazil. The Otto mask is a reusable protection mask. Is made with flexible, no toxic material, the differential of which is the Nanox Clean antimicrobial technology and filters. With triple layers and filter elements. With bacterial filtration efficiency greater than 95%. The mask was registered in Anvisa, that is a Brazilian National Healthy Regulation Agency. The mask can be used during work activity in commerce, offices and services, necessary departures from home, use in public transportation, going to the supermarket, going to the pharmacy, and all the activities that were carried out without the need for masks before the pandemic. Designed and produced entirely in Brazil, the mask meets the great demand of our population, maintaining and generating jobs and income within our country. The Otto mask kit contains 2 surgical masks and 4D surgical filters. Every person or every business is allowed to buy it online. Now I would like to share with you the study of Gomo bracelet. Please enjoy the video.
OS creates, develops and produces shoes since 2008. This year was a bit different. We turned our efforts to the study of materials and technologies of shoe production to create something that could be useful in preventing COVID-19. For this challenge, we invited UFPR, which set up research groups and identified that we should start in Ceará, in Brejo Santo. In addition to the high rate of spread of the disease in the city, all of our production is done there. With that in mind, UFC and UFCA entered to help us with ideas, information, and local experience so that the project would make sense regionally. The result was the Gomo bracelet, a hand sanitizer dispenser designed to create the habit of preventive hygiene in a practical and effective way. The Gomo bracelet is portable, modular, and interchangeable. After 4 months of work, we launched the project by donating the bracelet to all public school students from 10 to 14 years old in Brejo Santo. Going beyond our commercial relationship with the city and thus developing a project that is a counterpart to the affection we have in the production of each pair of O's. Since one hand washes the other, after this initial donation, the Gomo bracelets will be available for sale for 35 reais. For each bracelet sold, another one will be given, free of charge, to a child from public schools in other cities in Ceará. The delivery of donations will be linked to an educational training on the use of the bracelet in the prevention of COVID-19 and the correct disposal of the piece. Training will be secure and remote. The Gomo bracelet is made of TPU, a highly resistant material, 100% recyclable and non-toxic, essential to ensure the health of everyone involved. In addition, a reverse logistics system will compensate 100% of the material used in the entire production of each bracelet. And we can go further. The project has a Creative Commons license, which allows its reproduction, sharing, and alterations by anyone, as long as it is not for commercial purposes. Go to os.com.br/pulseiragomo and get yours, or find the store that is closest to you.
One more time, I would like to thank you for this invitation. We were really happy, and Centro Brasil Design is always open. And of course, we can answer questions if you have. Thank you very much.